On my way to the gun range. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I pull up at the gun range. Hold on.
Showing a Glock 43X.
Glock 43X. Y'all see it right there. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm done with load the clip. Now guys, finna load the clip.
Shooting the Taurus, my brand new Taurus. I'm gonna see how this boy works.
Yeah, then my pop tuning his gun. These the guns me and my pops were shooting. Those, that's my brother and my auntie over there. Alright, what you shooting now, folks?
HK VP9.
Alright, bet. Alright, bet. Let's see how it shoot like. You got the John Wick gun right there. I ain't gonna lie, my favorite one out of shooting these ones have to be this one. This one is more reliable. This is a compact Taurus. This is Glock 43X. And it's Smith.
Shoot the
Head right here.
Got that Hellcat Pro. Is that a Hellcat? Oh, that's just the Hellcat. I don't know if it's the Pro, but yeah, that boy nice. Now load me up because I can take a shot. You don't even know what you hit.
Alright, hey.
I'm gonna shoot my AR. You gotta wait for me. I'm coming with you.
Alright.
Oh yeah. I'm about to pack my stuff. Hold on.
Alright, damn.
You got some rounds for that?
Wait, stop. Stop.
Load. I like this.
It's the AR, y'all. Did you?
I think I did that second hole. I don't know.
I hit that one right there, y'all.
I did one of these second holes. You did? I think I did this second.
I ain't gonna lie, my favorite one out of shooting these ones have to be this one. This one is more reliable. This is a compact Taurus. This is
Got that Hellcat Pro. Is that a Hellcat or that's just the Hellcat? I don't know if it's the Pro, but yeah, that boy nice. Now load me up because I can take a shot. You don't even know what you hit.
Oh, dang.
I'm finna go shoot my I'm finna shoot the AR.
You gotta wait for me. I'm coming with you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm about to pack my stuff. Hold on.
All right, damn.
You got some rounds for that?
Wait, stop. Stop.
Load.
Hey guys, I'm shooting the AR HK MR 762A1. See how I shoot.
Woo! Two. 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, you gotta save me one now. That's 7. I mean, you had in there. You did the whole thing?
I saved you one.
Huh?
I saved you one.
Why it look like it ain't one in there? Oh, you talking about in there?
So today, guys, shooting the Glock 43X. They want to shoot this gun for a little minute. All right.
I need to shoot that.
Have to see how I shoot.
What you got?
59L.
It look like the
Wow! Wow! Oh. Ali, I keep. Doing HK VP9 L.
Let's see how I shoot like. You got the John Wick gun right there. So that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm going to gun range with my family. These some of the guns I'm looking at on the wall right now. We got a lot of good guns, and I'm planning on buying a Glock, but I don't know which one yet. Like, all of them look good. I saw the Glock 19. I mean, not Glock 43X today. I ain't gonna lie, that white one right there looked nice. Got the shotguns on the wall. Even got the toy guns. Ain't look at that, y'all. That look nice, but